Hello. Hello everyone. Today, we will learn about ice cream.
History told slow is really fun. English and the past all in one.
Ice cream. Ice cream is cold. Ice cream is sweet. Ice cream is delicious. Do you like ice cream? Yes, me too. I love ice cream. Let me ask you, what is your favorite flavor? Write in the comments. Tell me your favorite flavor. Where does ice cream come from? Is ice cream new? Is ice cream old? Let's find out. Before we start, please press the like button. Now, let's begin our story about ice cream. Now, we go back in time. Back in time. We go to ancient China. Ancient means very, very old. This story starts 2,000 years ago. In China, people wanted something cold, something sweet, because summer was hot. What did they do? Listen carefully. They took snow from the mountains. They took milk. They took rice. They mixed everything together. Snow plus milk plus rice equals cold dessert. Was this ice cream? Not exactly, but it was similar. Similar means almost the same. Let's repeat. The Chinese mixed snow, milk, and rice. They made a cold, sweet dessert. Later, around the year 600, they made something better. Now, let's travel. Let's go to Persia. Where is Persia? Persia is now called Iran. Let me show you on the map. In Persia, people also made cold desserts. They called it sharbat. Say it with me. Sharbat. Sharbat. What is sharbat? Sharbat is a frozen dessert. Frozen means very, very cold. The Persians were very clever. Very, very clever. They made ice in summer. In hot weather, they made ice. How? They had special buildings. These buildings kept ice cold, even in hot weather. So now we know. People in China made frozen dessert. People in Persia made frozen dessert. People around the world loved cold, sweet food. Comprehension check. Where did cold dessert start? In China? Yes. In Persia? Yes. In Persia? Yes. Both places. Now, our story travels. Where does it go? It goes to Europe. How did ice cream get to Europe? Good question. There is a famous story. Listen to this story. In the year 1200, there was a man. His name was Marco Polo. Say it with me. Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Who was Marco Polo? Marco Polo was Italian. He was a traveler. A traveler is a person who goes to many places. Marco Polo traveled to China. He stayed in China for many years. Many, many years. When Marco Polo went back to Italy, he brought something special. What did he bring? He brought a recipe. A recipe for frozen dessert. The Italian people tried the recipe. They loved it. They loved it very much. Rich people in Italy started eating this frozen dessert. Rich people means people with a lot of money. But there was a problem. A big problem. What was the problem? Ice cream was very expensive. Very, very expensive. Why was it expensive? Let's think about this together. In those days, there were no refrigerators, no freezers, nothing cold in the house. So, people needed ice. But where did they get ice? They got ice from mountains. They got ice from frozen lakes in winter. This was difficult. This was expensive. Only rich people could buy ice cream. Poor people could not eat ice cream. Now, ice cream traveled to France. It traveled to England. Kings and queens loved ice cream. They ate ice cream at big parties. Let me tell you an interesting story about England. In England, there was a king. His name was King Charles. The first King Charles had a special cook. This cook made ice cream only for the king. The king paid the cook a lot of money. He wanted to be the only person with ice cream. Let's check. Answer these questions. Who was Marco Polo? He was an Italian traveler. Where did he go? To China. What did he bring to Italy? A recipe for frozen dessert. Who could eat ice cream? Only rich people. Good job. Now, we cross the ocean. We go to America. To America. When did ice cream come to America? It came in the 1700s. The year was 1744. People in America started eating ice cream. Now, let me tell you about two American presidents. Two presidents who loved ice cream. President number 1, George Washington. George Washington was the first president of America. George Washington loved ice cream. He loved it very much. How much money did he spend on ice cream? A lot of money. In one summer, he spent $200 on ice cream. That's a lot of money. Today, that's about $6,000. Can you believe it? $6,000 for ice cream. Pause. President number 2, Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was the third president of America. He also loved ice cream. He lived in France for some time. In France, he learned how to make ice cream. He wrote his own recipe. We still have his recipe today. But remember, ice cream was still very expensive. Most people could not buy it. Then something changed. Something very important. In the year 1843, a woman invented something new. Her name was Nancy Johnson. What did Nancy Johnson invent? She invented the hand-cranked ice cream maker. What is a hand-cranked ice cream maker? Let me explain. It's a machine, a special machine. You turn a handle. You turn, turn, turn. Inside, cream gets cold. It becomes ice cream. This machine made ice cream easier to make. Easier means not difficult. After this invention, ice cream became cheaper. More people could buy it. Poor people could eat ice cream. Children could eat ice cream. Everyone could eat ice cream. Comprehension check. Let's review. Which president loved ice cream? George Washington and Thomas Jefferson, who invented the ice cream maker. Nancy Johnson. What happened after this invention? Ice cream became cheaper. Now, let's talk about the ice cream cone. What is a cone? A cone is the thing you hold, the thing you eat ice cream from. Before the cone, people ate ice cream in bowls, in cups, made of glass or paper. But in 1904, something happened, something special. Where did it happen? At the World's Fair in St. Louis, Missouri. World's Fair equals a big international event with many exhibits at the World's Fair. There was a man selling ice cream. His name was Arnold. Arnold was selling lots of ice cream. So much ice cream. Then he had a problem. He ran out of cups. No more cups. Ran out equals finished. No more left. What did he do? Next to Arnold, another man was selling waffles. Waffles are like flat, sweet cakes. This man had an idea, a great idea. He took a waffle, he rolled it, he made it into a cone shape. Then Arnold put ice cream in the waffle cone. People tried it. They loved it. They loved it very much. Why? Because you can eat the ice cream. Then you can eat the cone, too. No dishes, no cups, no problem. The ice cream cone became very popular. Very, very popular. Today, everyone knows the ice cream cone. Comprehension check. Quick questions. When was the ice cream cone invented? In 1904. Where? At the World's Fair. What was it made from? From a waffle. Let's talk about ice cream today. Ice cream now. In the 1920s, something important happened. Refrigerators came to homes. Refrigerators are machines that keep food cold. This changed everything. Now, people could make ice cream at home. They could keep ice cream in the freezer. Ice cream companies grew bigger and bigger. In 1929, there were 15,000 ice cream factories in America. 15,000. Today, we have many types of ice cream. Many, many types. Let me tell you about some types. Soft serve. This is soft and creamy, very smooth. Gelato. This is Italian ice cream, very smooth and rich. Frozen yogurt. This is made with yogurt. It's healthier. Ice cream sandwiches. Ice cream between two cookies. Ice cream bars. Ice cream on a stick. And the flavors. So many flavors. In the beginning, there were only 3 flavors: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Now, there are hundreds of flavors. Maybe thousands. Some flavors are normal. Mint chocolate chip, cookies, and cream. Butter, pecan. Some flavors are strange, like wasabi ice cream, or garlic ice cream, or fish ice cream. Would you try these? I don't know. Maybe. What is the most popular flavor in the world? Can you guess? It's vanilla. Vanilla is number one. About 30% of people choose vanilla. That's 3 out of 10 people. Okay, everyone. Let's review our lesson. What did we learn today? Number 1. Ice cream started in China and Persia about 2,000 years ago. Number 2. Marco Polo brought ice cream to Europe. Number 3. Only rich people could eat ice cream at first. Number 4. Ice cream came to America in the 1700s. Number 5. Nancy Johnson invented the ice cream maker in 1843. Number 6. The ice cream cone was invented in 1904. Number 7. Today, ice cream is popular everywhere, all over the world. Ice cream traveled around the world, from ancient China to your home today. Now, I have a question for you. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Write it in the comments. Also, tell me, what is the strangest ice cream flavor you know? If you liked this video, please press the like button. Press subscribe. Click the bell. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time. Goodbye.